If you're doing anything online, you need quality content that attracts buyers' attention and converts them into lifetime happy customers. Whether you are an affiliate marketer, an email marketer, a product creator, a blogger, a website owner, a webinar presenter, a SaaS product owner, or almost anyone willing to make it big in the digital marketing universe, you can't ignore the huge worth of having attention-grabbing content to attract visitors at any cost. Now, if you too are looking to get all these benefits, stop and pay close attention to what I am about to say. In this short video, you're going to discover a brand new, 100% newbie-friendly technology that converts any audio into unlimited attention-grabbing, search engine-friendly content without having to doing anything yourself or without paying thousands of dollars to third-party speech-to-text tools. Without any complicated and confusing technology, without wasting tons of time and money, and without any third-party dependency forever? If that fascinates you, we've got something huge that'll blow away your minds completely. Introducing Text AI, brand new one-click chat GPT-powered app that effortlessly converts any audio into unlimited attention-grabbing, search engine-friendly content for any offer and niche in just 3 clicks. This is everything you need to tap into hordes of hungry buyers worldwide and reach out to them for boosting your sales and profits. All you need to do is follow 3 easy steps. Step number 1, login. Step number 2, convert audio to text. Step number 3, publish and profit. And you're all set to rock and roll without any prior tech or marketing skills, without investing huge sums of money, or without doing even a single thing yourself. Here are some of its amazing features. Create transcripts of audiobooks, podcasts, voice contents, recordings, customer service calls, etc. in a simple and efficient way. Easily transcribe live voice into text. Support for over plus 100 languages and dialects. Multiple audio input formats, MP3/MP4. Speaker identification. Edit live results. Conveniently share synthesized results or download. Limited time commercial license included. Get all benefits for a low one-time price. Nothing to download or install. No monthly expenses or hidden costs. Pay once and get lifetime benefits with 0 limits. 100% newbie-friendly technology. Now I'm sure you're definitely thinking how much this is going to cost. It would be easy for us to charge $197 per month for access because there's a huge cost involved behind this masterpiece. But the good news is, you can get all this now for a bare minimum price that's never seen before. Yes, you won't need to pay $97 per month. Not even $77 per month. And not even $57 per month. Yep, we're offering this crazy technology for only pennies of the dollar, but only during the launch period. And yes, there's no recurring monthly fee or any hidden charges involved. So, you get everything for a low one-time payment. But please don't close this page and come back later because the price is going up fast. And the biggest stress buster, you're covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's literally no risk involved. Now, what's the point waiting? It's time to press the accelerator and get your hands on Text AI to take complete control of your life for months and years to come. So, stop thinking and click the button below now to lock in your discount and claim your bonuses before the price goes up. Good luck and we'll see you inside.